Sorry about that, guys. Still 5:39 p.m. Had to keep my video under 10 minutes. Here's the pack I just opened. It is Eddie Royal for the Broncos, Ray Rice for the Ravens, Greg Jennings for the Packers. Filler card. We have another draft 2011 Pat Devlin, which if I recall, I believe he's undrafted. I'll look that up. I'll put it in our stack there. We have Torrey Smith for the Ravens, Percy Harvin for the Vikings, Rashard Mendenhall for the Steelers, and Deion Branch for the Patriots. We have Steve Smith for the Panthers, Peyton Manning for the Colts, another one of my Tennessee boys, Benjamin Watson for the Browns, Nas, rookie review, Sam Bradford. It's a single color patch. I know a lot of people like them Bradford cards. There is no number on the back. That is our third hit, and the Rams belong to Illinois Card Freak. A nice pull there, Illinois Card Freak. We have Deshaun Jackson, stars of the NFL, not numbered. Jabal Sheard for the Browns. Ryan Matthews for the Chargers. Marquez Colston for the Saints. Alex Smith for the 49ers. Joe Flacco for the Ravens. Clay Matthews for the Packers. John Beeson for the Panthers. It is a filler card. A league leaders, Ed Reed, Devin McCourty, unnumbered card. So it's a two-player card. We go with the player on the left-hand side, which is Ed Reed. So that will go to the Ravens. We have Ronald Johnson for the 49ers. Brennan Merriweather for the Patriots. Mike Tolbert for the Chargers. Drew Brees for the Saints. We have Roddy White for the Falcons, Nate Burleson for the Lions, D'Angelo Williams for the Panthers, filler card, a gold extra points of Julius Peppers, which will be numbered, 193 of 250 for the Bears. We have Niles Paul for the Redskins, Darrelle Revis for the Jets, James Laurinaitis for the Rams, and Devon Best for the Dolphins. We have Austin Collie for the Colts, Carson Palmer for the Bengals, Dwayne Bowe for the Chiefs, filler card, Red Prestigious Pros of Brian Grant for the Packers. It is unnumbered. Daquan Bowers for the Bucks, Heath Miller for the Steelers, Aaron Hernandez for the Patriots, and Darren Sproles for the Chargers. All right, we have Steve Breston for the Cardinals, Champ Bailey for the Broncos, C.J. Spiller for the Bills. Filler card. Tandon Doss, gold extra points for the Ravens. That should be numbered. Yes, 32 out of 250. We have Stevan Ridley for the Patriots, Ahmad Bradshaw for the Giants, Justin Forsett for the Seahawks, and Eli Manning for the Giants. We have Andre Johnson for the Texans, Thomas Jones for the Chiefs, a black or silver prestigious pros Kenny Britt for the Titans. I don't think I've seen one of these, and it is numbered nice and low, 25 out of 25. See, I'm not sure if that's silver, black, one of the two. Kenny Britt for the Titans. We got filler card. We have another prestigious pros, a red one of Tim Tebow for the Broncos. It is unnumbered. We have Martez Wilson for the Saints. We have Marshawn Lynch for the Seahawks. Barrett Rudd for the Buccaneers. Jared Allen for the Vikings. We have Miles Austin for the Cowboys. Ed Reed for the Ravens. Aaron Rodgers for the Packers. Filler card. A Randall Cobb NFL Draft 2011. I'm not sure where Randall Cobb went. I know he was a Kentucky boy. I'll set that over there. I'll look him up. Pat Devlin, he is undrafted. Not numbered. Tom Brady for the Patriots. Frank Gore for the 49ers. Chris Cooley for the Redskins. Mike Goodson for the Panthers. DeMarcus Ware for the Cowboys. Michael Turner for the Falcons. Have a filler card. And there is a Prince Amukamara for the Giants. That's the short print card, the ones where they're holding the jersey. So the Giants is Fossigers, who also had the autographed Tyler Sash. So that's a nice card there. I like the short prints, even though it's not numbered. We have Devon House for the Packers. Darius Hayward-Bay for the Raiders. Mike Williams for the Bucks. And Braylon Edwards for the Jets. So we still have one hit left. We have, this will be the 6-pack left. Matthew Stafford for the Lions. Steve Johnson for the Bills. Matt Schaub for the Texans. And here is our hit. Clay Matthews stars the NFL. It's a green patch. Numbered 165 of 250. For the Packers, the Packers is Illinois Card Freak. Roy Williams, purple extra points for the Cowboys, numbered 36 out of 50. Dwayne Harris for the Cowboys. Donnie Avery for the Rams. Chad Henne for the Dolphins. Ben Roethlisberger for the Steelers. Okay, I have a minute before my 10-minute mark. My second 10-minute mark. I'll try to get another pack or two opened, and I might have to carry that over into the bonus video. Matt Forte for the Bears. Dexter McCluster for the Chiefs. Jason Witten for the Cowboys. Filler card. Stars of the NFL, Matt Ryan for the Falcons. Robert Quinn for the Rams. Vishanti Shenko for the Vikings. Antonio Gates for the Chargers. And Rob Gronkowski for the Patriots. Get one more in here real quick in this video. It'll be Brandon Lloyd for the Broncos. Ray Lewis for the Ravens. Donald Driver for the Packers. Filler card. Niles Paul for the Redskins. Ryan Kerrigan for the Redskins. Mike Wallace for the Steelers. Danny Woodhead for the Patriots. Phillip Rivers for the Chargers. That'll be all in this video. We have 3 packs left. 5:49 p.m. Be right back.